awesome. What a beautiful fish. Ate the freaking swim bait. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Luke. I love to fish. I'm based out of Southeast Minnesota, which is where we are today. We're on the Zumbro freaking river. I love this place. Tons of nice smallmouth in here. Some pike, some walleye, some sauger, all kinds of stuff swimming around in here. And today, we are going to see if we can find any of those bigger smallmouth, maybe some pike, maybe some walleye. And to prove that for y'all, I left my Ned rig at home, my spinning combo. No, I said not today, not today. I got two casting combos with me, A, B. On this guy, this will be more of my swim bait, top water, you know, anything that's kind of like a moving bait presentation. That's gonna be this guy. Right now I have a 6-inch trace, bluegill color on there. I don't know, we'll see if they want to chase after that. And on this guy, this is more of my, it is a little bit more finessey, bottom bait type of deal, but this is gonna be for jigs, you know, creature baits, whatever it might be that I can get these fish to bite on. I don't know how aggressive they're gonna be with the moving bait, so I'm keeping the jig bite handy, ready to rock and roll, because I know smallmouth absolutely love jigs. But that's enough talking. I gotta get packed up here, get my camera gear, get my backpack ready. I will see you guys on the water. Let's go. Somehow I need to find a way to get down to this river. Can't really do it right next to me here. It's a straight drop off and it's deep water, which means there's probably fish along there too. Woo-wee. Water's a little bit chilly, folks. But like I said, let's see, old 6-inch trace. It's a slow sink, so it's not gonna sink super fast, but it's also not gonna float. And I think that might help us a lot, because I know these fish are gonna be hunkered down, probably underneath the logs, rocks, wherever they can hide, they're gonna be, so. It's a fairly big bait, so I don't know if these smaller ones are going to be tempted to eat it. Oh my god! Oh, what? It's a gar. I just caught a gar on my freaking. Oh. What? I gotta be honest, I don't know if I've ever caught a gar out of here before. Wow, this is awesome. On the swim bait? Are you kidding? Hold on, buddy. Hold on. I didn't know they were even in here. Oh. Wow, that's a first. Okay, 1 second. Let me get organized here. The last thing I expected to catch, that is for sure. Okay, let's get this guy. Oh, dude. Ate the freaking swim bait. Well, that is awesome. Okay, let's get this guy unhooked. Somehow. Oh, buddy, I'm trying to let you go. Okay? Just hold on 1 sec. Again, you are not what I was expecting to catch, so I'm sorry. Okay, easy. In, out. Okay, buddy, okay. Get on out of here. There you go. He's gone. There he goes. Holy freaking cow. You see that? That is from the gar. Turned around and got me right in the leg. As he was flipping around. That was awesome though, holy cow. And then I watched him eat it too, which was totally freaking rad. It's a good thing I put a little leader on that swim bait though. This is a 12-pound test mainline, and I've got a 30-pound mono leader. Not very long, but it seemed to have worked for that guy. Oh, 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 big smallmouth, big smallmouth. All I'm kind of doing is making it seem like it's a dying fish. Oh, I got a fish coming out. Hold on, hold on. We're definitely following it in. Let it sink a little bit. Give it a hop, hop, twitch, twitch. All right, we're gonna do the jig real quick. I can see 3 or 4 of them right there, looking right at me. I'm gonna do a quick little pivot here. Simple finesse jig. A little creature bait on the back, a little crawl. Let's see if this gets absolutely wrecked. I have a feeling it will, but let's see. Got him! Come on. Dude, that guy shot right into it. I mean, didn't even take a second. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Will he eat it though? Will he eat it? Nope, 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 nope. I'm 100% sure that was a muskie. And I wasn't even recording because I'm a stupid, stupid man. Shot out from underneath that side. Hopefully I even got a quarter of the footage. Smoked the swim bait right there. And all I could do was hang on for half a second before he popped off. Oh, folks, that is a dumb, dumb thing. Just don't turn off your camera, you know? Just let the camera run. I had him too. I had him, and I was gonna jump down and go right up on there, but and my bait was right here, and he shot from right here. He's probably right underneath this log waiting for something. But once again, dorky dork Luke over here didn't think I was going to catch anything, so I didn't have my camera rolling. That was a freaking mistake. A mistake. A mistake I'll probably think about for a while. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It's a windy one. So I switched one of my combos here to a little creature style bait. Told myself no never. So we're not doing it. Just a little creature bait, shaky head situation. Got some nice rocks over here. I'm sure there's something hanging out. Yep. Nice. Not very big, but big. Got him. Little guy. Oh, not bad actually. That little creature bait. All right, final send. I'm gonna work along this bank where the rocks are, up to that point. There's a little sandbar thing that comes out. That's gonna be where I stop. So, see if we get a couple more before we end. I do think we'll get a couple right here though. This looks way too good not to get something. Right by that tree. Big smallmouth. Big smallmouth. Got him. That was awesome. Big smallmouth. I knew we were gonna get something. Oh, there's another one right there. Oh. Come on, buddy. Oh my goodness. What a nice smallmouth. Come on. Come on, buddy. Get your butt in here. Holy cow. Come on, don't get off. Oh. Woo-wee. That was freaking awesome. What a beautiful fish. Ooh, let's go. Got him. That was awesome. Nice fish too. Nice fish. Ooh. Look at this guy. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Booyah. Right there in that current. Officially on the freaking road. I'm actually kind of glad there was a road here because I am pooped. I probably waited, I don't know, maybe a mile and a half up this river, and you know, I don't want to say I did bad, obviously, because I did catch a few really nice smallmouth and that gar and whatever it was, a pike or a muskie, either one. I had that on for a second, but again, I don't think I got that on camera before it came off. But you know, for the amount of work I put into this today, all the spots I thought looked good that I was walking up on and making casts, I just couldn't capitalize on it, you know. I told myself I was only going to throw bigger baits today, and I, you know, threw that swim bait, threw that little creature craw, had a jig on for a while, and I think if I had a smaller bait, you know, a Ned rig obviously, or a small Nico rig, small blade bait, something like that, it probably would have done really well. But you know, when you challenge yourself, sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. And I'm not gonna say today was a fail, you know. Again, I caught some fish and had some fun and got some exercise. So it's a beautiful day out. I'm parched. I need to get to my truck and get some water. Still got quite a ways to go. Just me on this old gravel road here. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, you guys are awesome. I appreciate the support. If you like my stuff, please consider subscribing, commenting, liking. Really helps out my channel, puts me up in the algorithm of YouTube. And wherever you all are, have a good rest of your day, night, morning, and I will catch you guys on the next one.